number 9, SC of LCM, 6th standard portion. So all of you know that this will be the division 36 divided by 4. In 4 table there is 36, 9 times you can say that 4 9 are 36. In this division there is a 36 is dividend, 9 is quotient, 0 0 is remainder, and 4 is the divisor. In this also they listen look there, 65 divided by 9. In 9 table there is no 65, so 9 7 are 63, 2 is remainder. This is 2 is the remainder, 65 is the dividend, 7 is the quotient, and 9 is the divisor. In this two division you can look that in 36 the 36 is completely divided by 4, but 65 is not completely divided by 9. When we divide 36 by 4, the remainder is 0. When remainder is come 0, that therefore the 4 is the factor of the 36. In that time you can say that 4 is the factor of 36. 36 is also called as a multiple of 4. 36 is divisible by 4. So there are two division. In this two division, 36 divided by 4. So the quotient is 9. In this 4 is the factor of 36. If we completely divided and the remainder is 0 there. When we divide 65 by 9, the remainder is not 0. When remainder is not come 0, then we cannot say that 9 is a factor of 65. Or 65 is a multiple of 9. Factor of 36 is 1. Always write 1. When you can write factors of any number, so we can write first of all 1. Then in 2 table there is 2 is divided by 36 divided by 2 is also possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and lastly you can write 36. These are the factors of 36. If in any table there is no 36, you can divide this number and write there. Okay. Factors of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. These are the factors of 36 and 48. You can write the common factor. In this there is 2, there is 2, there is 3, there is 3, there is 4, there is 4, there is 6. So then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the common factors. In this way we can solve the practice 23. Write all the factors of the given number and list their common factors. First of all 12 and 36. So you can write the factors of 12. Look there. Solve this problem like that. 12, 16. So you can write factors of 12. First of all you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then lastly you can write number 12. Then 16. Factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 12. Lastly you can write. Then write common factors. Common factors. Common factor you can look there. This one, there is 1, there is 1, there is 2, there is 2, there is 4, there is 4, there is a 12, there is a 12. Write there 1, 2, 4 and 12. So in this way you can solve the practice set 23. Let's solve all this problem. Okay. The next topic is the SCF. SCF means highest common factor. This is long form of the SCF is highest common factor. Here is one examples are given there. I can teach you this one. My auntie has brought 2 ribbons of different colors. One 12 meters long and the other 18 meters. Both the ribbons have to be cut into pieces of the same length. What would be the maximum length of each pieces? So my auntie has brought 2 ribbons. The number which gives the length of the each piece must be a factor of. So here you can find the SCF of 12 and 18. Write the first of all factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then write the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. First of all write above as like factors, and then both of you can circle it. There is 6, there is a 6. In SCF always take the greatest number. Okay. Of the common factor of 12 and 18 is 6 is the greatest number here. The maximum length of it should be the SCF is 6. The next example, look there. There are 20 kg of jawar and 50 kg of wheat in a shop. All the grain is to be packed in the bags. If all the bags are to have to be equal weights of grain, what is the maximum weight of the grain that can be filled in each bags? There is a 20 kg of jawar and 50 kg of wheat. To find the SCF of 20 and 50 kg. First of all, write the factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. And then write the factors of 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. Then in both of you can find the common factors. There is 1, there is 1, there is 2, there is 5, there is 5, there is a 10. You can write first of all common factor 1, 2, 5, 10. Then in this you can know that always you can take find LCM. You can take greatest number. There is a greatest number is 10. Of the common factor 20 and 50, 10 is the greatest number. The 10 is the HCF of this number 20 and 50. Okay. So to find the HCF, always remember that we make a list of the factors of number. First of all, you can write the list of factors and then find the greatest of the common factor. Okay. In this we can find the HCF. So I hope you understand this one. In this way you can solve practice set 24. Find the HCF of the following numbers. The one problem I can solve it there and you can find the next one. So first of all I can solve here 40, 45, 30. First of all write the factors of 45. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. And then factors of 30 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Then find the common factors of both of 40 and 45 and 30 is 1, 3, 5, 15. The greatest among them is 15. You can look there, the both of greatest is 15. The HCF of 45 and 30 is 15. In this way you can solve the all these number. Okay. Then in this word problem I can solve second problem also. If a large scale beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters long, you can find here the HCF of 18 and 15. So for this you can always learn all tables from two tables to up to 30 tables. So you can learn about all these tables, otherwise you can't find the HCF and LCM. So in next Google Meet Google class I can ask you the tables in any one. Okay, so you can learn this one. So in second problem, first of all I can write here, to find the maximum possible length of a bead we have to find the HCF of 18 and 50. I can say that to find the HCF of 18 and 50. First of all you can write the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Then write the common factors of 18 and 15 is 1, here is 1, 3, here is 3. So for most highest number is 3. The maximum possible length of each piece of the rope is 3. Okay. In this way you can solve all this problem. This is the okay students.